Hey there, I'm excited to share my personal journey of burning belly fat with some powerful exercises that really made a difference. Here's how I transformed my body. I survived the endless cycle of ineffective workouts. I felt stuck and was looking for a change that actually worked. I spent time discovering which exercises would truly target belly fat. I found that exercises like leg raises, side planks, and bicycle crunches were game changers, providing the results I was after. I saved time by eliminating exercises that didn't yield results and focusing on those that did. By integrating high-intensity interval training HIIT and compound movements like mountain climbers and Russian twists, I maximized my workout efficiency. I built a consistent routine that included these targeted exercises and paired them with a balanced diet. Sticking to this routine daily helped me stay on track and see steady progress. I got amazing results. My belly fat melted away, and I felt stronger and more confident than ever. The boost in my energy and mood was incredible, making every day feel like a victory. Feeling inspired? Give these exercises a try and see how they can help you too. Consistency is key. Set realistic goals and track your progress to stay motivated. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original is perfect for making fresh smoothies anytime, with over 100 5-star reviews and free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. Facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues? Strength Training for Seniors offers 45 easy exercises to boost your strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now. Link in description. Looking to boost your fitness? The fitness tracker helps you monitor calories, steps, and sleep effortlessly. It's waterproof and a game changer for reaching your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below. Stay committed and keep pushing towards your goals. You've got this.